You ever wanted to know how to do production level graphics like these in your screen on Zoom meetings and our Teams meetings? Let's just walk through it. The first thing to do, download OBS, Open Broadcast Software, or I think that's what OBS stands for. Go to the website, download OBS. It's free. Second thing, install OBS. It's pretty simple. Install it, then start it. Okay, you're going to come to a screen like this. It's not going to look like this, but it's going to have this basic structure. Go to the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to see a plus sign. The first thing we need to do, add a scene. Now, this scene won't have any sources, much like I have no camera right now. Click on plus. Your camera is called the video capture device. My camera is called Canon RP. Add that to the mix. Now, you can see that it's obviously top left in the corner. We want that bigger. You can drag and drop this, or you can right click on it, go to transform, and then hit fit to screen. Done. We've added a source to our scene. Our source is the camera. Now we need two more sources, PNG files that are transparent. That's how I created this overlay effect in the beginning of this video. Go out and either design a PNG file that's transparent or capture a PNG file that's transparent, search for a PNG file that's transparent. I think you get the point. I already have two PNG files that I've designed. I showed it to you in the first part of this video. So let's add another thing to our scene. Go down here, hit plus as a source, hit image. Here's my transparent PNG file for Tattooed Nerd. I want to add another one. I want to say, hey, here's my image of my Distinguished Architect title. Add that. They overlay on top of each other. You don't want that. You want to move it. So move it. Grab your Tattooed Nerd, move it over here. I don't want it that big, so I'll shrink it. This one's too small. I want to move it over there, and let's increase the size. Just like that, I have two transparent PNG files as overlays inside of my camera view. Now, how do we make Zoom see this camera view? We actually have to do what we call virtual camera. And in order to do that, start your virtual camera. Bottom to the right, actually to the left for you. Start virtual camera. Now, let's start a Zoom meeting. Here's my Zoom meeting, and by default, it's set to my Camlink 4K, which is actually my Canon camera that I'm using right now, but I want it to be set to the OBS Virtual Camera. You can see that's a choice now. Click on that, boom, you have overlay graphics. So remember the simple steps we just did. We went and got OBS. We set up a scene with three things in it, a camera and two PNG files. You can have as many as you want. And then I created a virtual camera that I fed into Zoom. You're welcome. If you haven't guessed, my name is Patrick Kelly. I'm the Tattooed Nerd.